Welcome to the Selma Kit for MODO. Selma includes 4 new random selection operations. Select randomly will select elements, that's polygons, vertices or edges, at random. The distribution of the random selection is, in my humble opinion, better than that of the shipped alias. You can adjust the seed and the chance to get the selection that suits best. Select n randomly is similar, but it will select an exact number of elements, specified either as a number or as a percentage when the number is set to 0. Use the seed to adjust the distribution. Select non-adjacent polygons works similarly to select n randomly. It will select up to the specified number of polygons, but no 2 polygons will be adjacent, but you can opt to allow polygons to share vertices. Select polygons by spacing will attempt to select the specified number of polygons with the proviso that they should be at least the specified distance apart. The Selma Kit for MODO is available on Gumroad now. See the links below.